Hi, I'm Jia's mom. My name is Deepthi. My daughter Jia goes to Sparkling Minds preschool as well as the daycare program. It's been a very remarkable year. I would say Jia has adjusted really well, and she's made friends. I think her first best friends for entire lifetime. I wanted the school to focus more on the overall development of Jia rather than just the academics. The passion that the whole team brings in. I've seen schools when I was doing my research, I saw schools where the founders or the person who kind of took me around the school being very passionate about, and I've gone to schools that are so-called international, and I really say so-called, because, and they also follow similar curriculum and structure, teaching and all of that. And the person who took me around was definitely very enthusiastic, seemed to know what he or she was speaking. But when you go down to the classroom level, that's when things completely change. You know, the teachers who are the ones who are interacting with the kids, I did not see the same passion, I did not see the same quality that the person who took me around was talking about so passionately. So I think in Sparkling Minds, I found that to be very different, because the whole team as such brings the passion, and that's really important, because it's just not the person who takes the parent around, but it's also the person who interacts with the kids that matters the most at the end of the day. And also, small things like your the lady who helps you take the kid out for her during the break sessions, or gives the food to the kid. All of those interactions actually add to the overall development, and I think the whole team as such is really passionate about what they're doing, so that makes a huge difference. One, the facilitators, the quality of facilitators definitely makes Sparkling Minds and the whole experience stand out. That would be one thing. Second, I think addressing parental issues, giving that extra bit of coaching to parents, and also like the example that I spoke about, where facilitators really take those conversations seriously and try to address the issue in the kid. I think definitely that would be my second pick. And third, I think overall quality, whether it is the story time session or overall development, whether it's the eating habits or generally expressing your emotions, teaching the kids to do those simple things definitely makes Sparkling Minds stand out. Jia, even to this day, she knows the kite stuck story. She knows Eleanor's eyebrows, and she connects it back. She's like, oh, Jeev is our dog. She's like, Jeev doesn't have eyebrows, and maybe his eyebrows got angry like Eleanor's eyebrows. So they've gone out somewhere. Mama, we need to go bring back his eyebrows. So she, I think it's all those small stories that remain back with you forever. I think those experiences are what you get in Sparkling Minds.